In this video, we will show you how to make a video with AI for free. First, you have to open any browser like Google Chrome, Firefox, or other. Search app.haiper.ai on the search bar of the browser and press enter. Make sure to log into your account first. If you don't have, then create your account. On the Haiper Explore page, you can see that it allows you to create videos with text, animate images, repaint your video, and more. On the bottom of the screen, you will see the blank space where you can describe which type of video you want to generate. Describe the video you want to generate, and on the description, you will see different options. These options are used to make videos like old film, watercolor, cyberpunk, Lego, and more. Click on any option to make a video like that. When you click any of the options, it asks you to add additional information, like color or more. With the create button, you will see a filter icon. Click on it to select the duration and speed of the video. After selecting speed and duration, click on the create button. You have to wait a few seconds, like 20 seconds. After waiting, it will generate the video and you will be able to see the video according to your description. Play it to watch, or you can download it by clicking the download icon below the video. If you found this tutorial helpful, leave a like and subscribe.